Kia K5. You want to check the cabin filter, go ahead and open up your glove box. Disconnect the damper you have here on the side by pulling on it like that. You're going to have to push the glove box in to get the glove box door past its stoppers on both sides here. Okay. After you do that, you can lower it down. Cabin filter's in this compartment here. On the right side, you're going to squeeze these guys in the door, come it off. Here's your filter. Just go ahead and grab it, snatch it, pull right out. If you need one, there'll be a link down in the description box for this one. This one's pretty clean, we're not changing it today. Your new one just goes right back in the way you took it out.